If you ever share files in Google Drive but you don't want somebody to have access forever, then there's a real handy feature where you can set an expiry date. So access automatically ends after a certain time. It's perfect for things like client files, collaboration projects, or anything that you only want to share on a temporary basis. But before we start, just a quick heads up. This is only available for those who have a paid Google Workspace account. You can't set expiry dates for files when you're sharing if you only have a free account in Google. So now that's out the way, here's how to use it. So firstly, find the file that you want to share in your Google Drive. Right-click on the file and go to Share. Add the person's email address like you would do normally when you share a file. Set their permission level to either viewer, commenter, or editor. And then at the bottom here is Add Expiry. So click on there to set the expiry date. Now you can see it automatically sets the expiry date to be a month from when you're doing it. So to change it, you can click on the pencil icon to the right of it to edit the actual date and time. So we click on there, we choose the correct date and select a time. And then you can either remove the expiry to remove it altogether or click on Done to set that expiry time. If you want to notify the person or people that you're sharing the file with that there is now an expiry date, you can quickly type in a message here and make sure that this box here is checked where it says Notify People. Once you're happy with everything, click on Send. And that's it, that has now gone. Now if we right click that file again, go back to Share, you can see that beneath this person here, you can see it says the access expires on that particular date and time that we've just set. Again, you can edit this at any time by clicking on the pencil icon here, choosing a different time, or you can remove it completely by clicking on Remove Expiry. Once you reach the expiry date, the person will automatically lose access to that particular file. So you don't need to remember to remove them manually. It is such a time saver and really, really handy. If you found this helpful, give it a like and remember to share it with anybody you know who uses Google Drive that might find it helpful. As always, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.